tongue twisters. What's that? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mato Tarali. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. My online program, Tongue Twisters, is not about oral sex techniques. It has nothing to do with kissing as well. It has to do with tongue exercises so that your tongue will become stronger. Did you know that our tongue is the strongest muscle in our body? However, a lot of people do not know what to do. They get very tired when they are performing oral sex, and so it's important to strengthen our tongue. So this program actually includes exercises that will help your tongue to become more flexible, stronger, and this will help you on the long run when it comes to being a better lover. So get the program. I do have other programs that you can also check out on my website, eroscoaching.com. So do consider getting tongue twisters, and you are on your way to becoming a more confident and better lover.